Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about the taxonomies. Yes, guys, educational taxonomies with their examples. Okay, introduction is that this page includes taxonomies for three domains: cognitive domain, affective domain, and psychomotor domain. But today we discuss just one domain, that is cognitive domain. Here you can see that revised Bloom's taxonomies at Iowa State University. That is cognitive domain is that knowledge is defined as the remembering of previously learned material. This may involve the recall of a wide range of materials from specific facts to complete theories, but all that required the bringing to mind of the appropriate formation. Knowledge represents the lowest level of learning outcomes in the cognitive domain. Okay, what is a description? That to know, to recall, remembering previously learned material, lowest level of learning, listing learned information, remembering terms, methods, facts, concepts, and specific items of information. Okay, what is sample activities in this? Sample activities are label the parts of a plant, group together all the four syllabus words, list the freedoms included in the Bill of Rights, identify the food group to which each of these foods belongs, write definitions to the following words, locate examples of capitalization in the following story, remember an idea for fact in some word the same from in which it was learned. Questions and answer sessions, workbooks are worksheets, programmed instructions, remember things, read here, saw, games, information searches, reading assignments, drill and practice, finding definitions, memory games, quizzes, questions, have right and wrong answers. Okay, guys, here you can see that what is descriptive verbs. Words alone may not ensure the desired level. And what is comprehension? A comprehension is defined as the ability to grasp the meaning of material. This may be shown by translating material from another, by interpreting material. And what comes in the comprehension description? In description of comprehension, you can see that explaining and understanding, how we can explain and understand, ability to grasp the meaning of material, communication an idea, communicating an idea, explaining ideas, summarizing material, understanding facts and principles. And what comes in the comprehension? Sample activities, give reasons for the energy crisis, explain why we have biosafety rules, outline the steps necessary for an idea to become a law. And here you can see that summarizes the theory. What are the underlying factors that contributed to the Revolutionary War? Communicating an idea, give examples of paraphrasing, peer teaching, show and tell, give reasons for. Here you can see that what is the third, that is application. In application refers to the ability to use learned material in new and concrete situations. This may include the application of such things as rules, methods, concepts, principles, laws, and theories. Learning outcomes in this area require a higher level of understanding than those under comprehension. Okay, what comes in the description of application? Applying concepts and principles to new situations, applying laws and theories and practical situations, solve of mathematical problems, constructing charts and graphs. And what comes in the sample activities? Put this information in graph from, organize the forms of pollution from most damaging to least damaging, sketching a picture that relates your feelings to recess. And here you can see that what comes in the descriptive verbs, that is under coming third: apply, construct, classify, develop, organize, solve, test, use, utilize, and build. Okay, at 4 number comes that analysis. And so what comes in analysis? Analysis refers to the ability to break down material into its component parts so that its organizational structure may be understood. This may include the identification of the parts, analysis of the relationships between parts, and the recognition of the organizational principles involved. Okay, guys, what comes in the description, that is under the analysis: breaking material down into component parts, understanding the organizational structures, analysis of relationships between parts. And what comes in the sample: simplify the palette to its moves and inspect, a house for poor workshop, and observe a painting to uncover as many principles of the as possible. And here you can see that descriptive verbs. Descriptive verbs is that analyze, assume, break down, classify, compare, contrast, discriminate, desist, distinguish, divide, deduce, a diagram, etc. And here you can see that what comes in description, that is forming new whole, putting parts together in a new whole, formulating new patterns, structures, abstract relationships, communication, and idea in a unique way. And here are simple activities, that is create a new strong song for the melody of Mary had a little lamb. And what is descriptive verbs? Descriptive verbs are bleed, create, combine, compile, compose, construct, develop, design, derive, form, formulate, generate, etc. And here's a description, that is ability to judge the value of material, use of definite criteria for judgments, value judgments based on clearly defined criteria. And here you can see that sample activities decide which persons would best fill a position, etc. Thank you guys for watching my video. Stay with us. Allah Hafiz.